If I had known this secret of rich people earlier, I would have tried it. Think you're doing a job or business and you've raised $1 million. Then imagine that you want to invest these 1 million rupees on a small property. That's the right decision. But here I tell you a scenario. Imagine you have taken a loan of 1 million for the next 15 years with a 13% reducing rate. And with that money you bought that property. And the millions you saved have been put into an index fund. Let's say you are going to get a CAGR return of 13%. That is, every year your money is going to grow from 13%. Now, 15 years later you will have paid 2,275,000 to the bank. And that's where the value of your index fund money will be 6,250,000. And what do you think the value of the property you bought 15 years ago will not have increased? So it will become two assets with one arrow. But remember that in such cases, it is very important for you to have an active income source to pay monthly interest. And that's how rich people make money. Please don't forget to subscribe.